Hey Michael, sorry I took so long to get this video up. This is for the second song you posted, or the third song total you posted, the We Met on a Bus, and I liked it. I didn't really see much room for improvement because it's a very personal song, and I think you pretty much said everything you wanted to say, and that was awesome. And really, the only thing I could think of was something you could focus on in your songwriting in general is paying attention to the number of syllables you use in every line, because having repetition with the lines of syllables will make it number of syllables will make it flow better. For example, in the first verse you had repetition because we met riding on the bus, 7 syllables, which was heading out of town, 7 syllables, you were kind of straight, 5, and I was just a clown, also 5. But then the second verse is pretty much different. It says, at our destination, 6. We stopped off for a drink, also 6. You had water, 4. I had white coffee with 2, I think, which is 9. So, and this isn't like a rule because it really depends on what style of song you want it to be and how you're going to phrase the lyrics as you sing them. So, because if I was going to sing it exactly like it's written, I would move words around and make them shorter or use them like between lines. It'd be like, you had water, I had white coffee with 2, I think. Like just the phrasing would depend. But if you're trying to strictly write, musical poetry, then it's really handy to just like be aware of the number of syllables in each thing because it makes it flow. So like for example, I shifted things around just a tiny bit in that second one just to see how it would go. So I said, we got off at the same stop, which is now 7 lines like the first verse. Decided to grab a drink, also 7. You just had water, so I added 1, so that was 5. And then I had coffee, I think, which is 6 technically, but the I just gets absorbed into the had, so I had coffee, I think. So yeah, that was my only thought really on this one. I really liked it, and I hope this was useful for you. I'll talk to you soon. I'm going to get to that other one ASAP.